guys? AB Trades here. In this video, you guys will see my student Kevin. So Kevin joined the 86th floor. I'm gonna give you guys a little breakdown before you guys actually watch the whole interview. I'm not gonna give you too much because then you guys, I need you guys to stay tuned and watch throughout the whole entire interview because it's quite amazing, honestly. Kevin joined 86th floor. They didn't even join LTE, but LTE is a big brand. Like LTE is my academy, LTE is my 86th floor, LTE is my broadcast channel. Literally, LTE is even this YouTube channel as well. So LTE is a big brand. He became part of the family, and in 4 months, literally 4 months that it's been open, more or less, Kevin has made a little over $40,000 in profits, and he'll take you guys throughout his, journey and throughout, more or less what's his story. But it's just quite amazing to me to see how if you stick to a game plan, you actually find something that works for you and you just stick to it and perfect it over time, how it could completely change your life. And, I hope my message becomes louder and louder every time. And my message to everybody is, you guys will see in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.
Yo.
What's up? What's up?
How are you, Kyle?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, man. How's everything?
Not too bad. 2 green days on a brand new funded with Leveled Up. So
Fire, bro. So I just want to, before we get started, I just want to thank you for coming on here and, being a part of this series. I wanted to start this series of interviewing people that, have came across AB, LT, whatever the case may be, and have really changed their trading, because I feel like, again, actions speak louder than words. And it's one thing me sitting here and telling you, yo, like, I've helped thousands of people actually become profitable compared to you actually hearing them from them directly. So this is pretty much what I'm doing this whole series of, just interviewing, a bunch of different people and let the work basically speak for itself, So, bro, run us through, who's Kyle, what's your background, and, how you got started in trading, how you even heard of it.
So pretty much, I was your typical blue collar worker, 40 to 60 hours a week, installing fire sprinklers. And I came across Ricky Gutierrez with the stock market.
Okay.
I was like, this looks easy. I got humbled so fast.
Bro, I think it happens to all of us.
So fast. Pretty much, I took a lot of what I learned with him. The stocks itself, due to my work schedule at the time, didn't work out for me. I took a little bit of a break, and then I came across Raul when he was trading currencies. Okay. So I was like, all right, I dug into that. I did a little bit of research, started dabbling in currencies myself. I was making money, but then I'd give it all back immediately. Do it again. 2-3 grand, gone in one day. I was like, all right, something's not right. That's when I came across your page. You didn't have the 86th floor out yet, which is what I joined the day you posted it. And I remember one of the first things that you ever said on your Zoom was risk management. You're like, don't look at the dollar sign. Don't look at percentages. You're like, just, key levels, risk management, plain and simple. If it hits your stop loss, it hits your stop loss. If it hits your take profit, it hits your take profit.
Bro,
so that's one time I was just so greedy. And I had to be humbled so fast to be like, oh, I just made 5 grand over the span of 2 weeks. Oh, I just lost it all in an hour.
Bro, well, people don't, this is something that is funny you mentioned it, right? Because it's something that I've been preaching to people for quite some time. And I don't know if it's just life as a whole. Again, consistency, you do something for so long, it eventually starts to work. But finally, I'm starting to see in a lot of my students, a lot of people that's been following me for quite some time, it's finally clicking, bro. And the message that I've been trying to say across this whole time is, bro, everybody's looking for profitability, right? And if you go on Google and look up the definition of profitability, it has absolutely nothing to do with charts.
100%.
Like nothing. Well, profitability really stands for, in other words, is your wins outweigh your losses based on the fact that you're able to control your risk.
Exactly.
So knowing that, the game changes, because I get how when we all get started in trading, our main thing is all these different strategies and all these different things on the chart to give us an edge on, being able to trade better. Bro, it's not about any of that, bro. Because I've seen it, bro. A lot of people make money in trading, but they never get to see it. And I'm gonna explain why. It's because the management part. It's because yeah, they'll make money today, but that one loss will take away 2, 3 wins. And
I,
it's like, bro, you
I
have
used to move my stop loss down. It would come to my stop loss, and I used to move it. And I'm like, oh no, it's gonna go back up. It has to. It hit this level, and it's like I realized real quick. I'm like, bro, the market doesn't have to do a damn thing.
nothing, bro. It doesn't owe you shit. Call it as it is.
And I read the book Best Losers Wins.
Mm-hmm.
Game changer, complete game changer with the mental part of this whole trading.
Bro, a winner is a loser that just never quits.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
Like even through the 86th floor, I can honestly sit here and say that I never took a single trade that you put on your webinar just because you put it there. I was like, does this match my game plan? Yes or no? No, I'm not going to take it. Yes, I'm going to take that trade.
Perfect. All right.
And I started trading from level to level rather than going, 1 to 5 risk reward, 1 to 10. It's like, and I tell people now, because everyone that was like, oh, you're not gonna be able to do it. 10% of people, they're all asking me, oh, how'd you do it? And I was like, I was just stubborn as hell. I just didn't give up.
Bro, that's the thing, bro. The moment you start to understand the game is about risk, that's what the game is about. The game is about what can you do consistently. For example, like you mentioned, you were chasing 1 to 5s, 1 to 10s. Bro, I'll be honest with you, dog. I my fault for doubting it, but bro, I'm willing to doubt it that you're able to catch a 1 to 5, 1 to 10 every single day.
Oh, I don't think it's possible.
So,
Like,
but a 1 to 2 you could catch every day.
easy.
A
And
1
that's what I started doing. I'm like 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Might take profits based off the levels
a 1 to 1 you could catch every day.
every day.
Well, people, this is the issue, bro. It's the social media has put the stigma on, oh, that doesn't look cool because it's not one big green line saying that you call a freaking 1,000-point move. Bro, even just a 1 to 1, if you increase the risk behind it, will make more money than somebody even catching a 1 to 10. You get what I'm saying?
When it really shifted for me was green is green. It doesn't matter if it's $10, $100, $1,000, or $10,000. At the end of the day, you're green.
This
But
one
what
key word.
mattered was that green a good trade? Did it align with your game plan? Did it align with the structure of what you wanted to take? If you were green and it was a stupid ass entry just
You
because
got
the
lucky.
market moving, it was a bad win.
You just got lucky.
And you gotta own up to that.
And that's
something I never used to do.
bro, and that's what I preach to people right there, bro. It's just the moment you understand the game tells you when you get lucky or when you actually follow your game plan to actually get that win. It will let you know, like off rip, like you just know, like yo, I got lucky on this trade, or yo, this trade was a good trade. Like any trade that I take nowadays, bro, it's like, bro, like I do it with my eyes closed. You ask me, yo, why are you taking it? Because I know. I'm that confident. Why? Because it adds up to my whole entire game plan that I follow every single day.
Yeah, so like the trade that we took in the 86th floor yesterday, I had a very, very similar setup already marked from Sunday night. Hit my take profit and it just kept dumping. I was like, whatever. It is what it is. But me, before I joined the 86, I would have jumped back in like an idiot.
And they're probably losing.
Exactly. And it's just like I have a smile on my face whether I win or whether I lose. Like, hey, if I lost, I lost. I stuck to my game plan. It is what it is. No one's 100% right.
Bro, if you stick to the game plan, your wins outweigh your losses. And that's the game. Because there's one key word in all this that we're doing. It's called compounding. Yeah, and it's a word that I feel like a lot of people overlook. Like, bro, people don't understand the power of compounding. That 1 to 1, that 1 to 2 that you're taking every day, since you're catching them so consistently, because it's something that you could do really day in, day out in the market, that's no problem. Bro, they just start compounding. Bro, I literally have a student. Her name is Ariana. She's gonna kill me because it took me that long to remember her name. Her name is Ariana, and bro, we started one-on-one mentorships, right? Like about 2 weeks ago. So it's been around like 2 weeks. Makes 2 weeks this week. And bro, she started an account with $4,000. She's already at 5. So she's made $1,000 profit. She texted me on Friday, yo, this is the first time ever that I end the week with $1,000 profit. And it's simply because she just stuck to the game plan and compounded those profits every single day. And that's the problem. People overlook it because social media have put the stigma that you need this crazy one-hit wonder trade. You know what I'm saying? One big hit. And they like, no, bro. You adding up that little 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Bro, before you know it, bro, you're way more up than that guy trying to chase that 1 to 10. Because yeah, he might get that 1 to 10 eventually, but after he's lost, by the time he gets that 1 to 10, he's even because all the amount of losses that took him to get that 1 to 10.
Exactly. And
You see what I'm saying?
that's how I used to be. And I just, and like, I hate to say it, like, the concept of trading is so simple. You click buy or you click sell. It's not complicated.
It's not.
What is complicated is your own mentality when trading, when the emotions come out. And it's like we were on vacation the last time you threw the LTE list out, so I couldn't get into it. My girl's like, oh, well, if you know it so well, she was testing me, you know, like busting my chops. She's like, what is US 30 at? And I told her, I was like, oh, it's sitting here at this price level. I said, you got the 1 hour support before and you got a 4 hour zone above it. And she's like, how do you know that? I'm like, that is the only thing on my watch list. I stopped trading every single pair. All I trade is US 30. That's it.
Bro, I've been preaching this forever. One session, one pair. Bro, it will change your life, dog. Because I always give the example, which sounds a little wild. It is a wild example because when I came up with it, you know, I was in a different time of my life. So it was whatever came to my head. But bro, if you have 5 girlfriends compared to one girlfriend, and I ask you here, yo, what's girlfriend number 3's favorite color? You don't know.
No.
But you have one girlfriend. What's your girlfriend's favorite color?
Purple.
See how you didn't even have to think.
Exactly.
But if you have multiple, you really think you will know that? I don't think so.
No.
You know what I'm saying? So it's the same thing as trading, bro. You have all these different pairs. You're not building a real genuine relationship with any of them. You're just just going on charts and clicking random shit, and you never. Then the market humbles you, and you're sitting there wondering, why did I lose? Because you simply just don't know where the market is. And if you don't know where you are in that market, bro, it's gonna humble you real quick. Yeah, you might get lucky. Going back to that word, you might get lucky and win 1 or 2, 3 little setups, but over time, you're not going to stay consistently winning in that pair because you simply just don't have that bond. You don't have that relationship. You know what I'm saying?
I 100% agree. And it's like when US 30 just made, you know, the all-time highs the other day, I was like, I'm not even looking at it. If it's going to trade, I'm not bothering. I'll take the day off. I don't care. But before, I would be like, all right, bye. It's going to go up. Says who?
You don't know where it's gonna stop.
Exactly. If I have no data to the left, I don't trade.
Or even if you, let's say in that scenario, you wanted to take a setup. Let's say because I have, and they
I would do like a 1-to-1 on that.
But it's going in with a game plan. Me knowing, okay, I have no data showing me where this could potentially stop. I'm not gonna sit here try to catch a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. There's nothing even telling me a 1-to-1 will work out. But I'll take my chances because at the end of the day, trading is a game of risk and chances. Cool. I will take my chances already with a game plan, though, of I'm going to catch this 1-to-1 and I'm gone.
Exactly. That's
because even if it keeps going for 1,000 more points, I don't care. I stuck to my game plan. I got my money for the day. I'm coming back tomorrow and I'll repeat it.
Yep.
So, rinse to repeat. Rinse to repeat.
It's literally like today, I took my trade. I hit my 1 to 3. It kept going up. I was like, oh, okay. I missed out on, you know, another 1-to-1. Then it came back down. It hit off the support. It went back up. And I'm like, oh, I could have done bounce plays all day, but I was like,
for what?
I'm happy.
For what, bro?
What I used to do was stare at the chart so long every single day, all day long. I now have glasses, and I'm pretty sure it's from that. My eyes
bro. Bro, and that's what people don't understand is, bro, you're staring at these charts, your mind starts to play with you. And you start to think that, oh, this is a setup right here. This is going to do this right now. No, bro, that's just your mind tricking you into taking all these random setups. And, bro, that's how, you could potentially probably make money in the morning, but now you're giving it back. Which goes back to why I preach, stick to one pair, one session. Why? Because, bro, a lot of people will trade Asian, London, New York. And I'm like, dude, when are you resting? Like, your mind is not even right, dog. Like, you're staying up all these hours, morning, nighttime, midday, late afternoon. Like, my dude, it's you're not doing anything.
Gotta rest.
You're probably harming yourself more than you're bettering yourself.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Because even when I first started, yes, at first you got to put in that grind, but I was putting in that grind during one session. Like when I first started, I used to trade London, right? So I traded London for years. So I used to start trading at 3 in the morning, stuff like that. So yeah, I put in endless hours, but endless London hours. Like I never sat here and, oh, I'm gonna trade Asian, London, and New York. Bro, what the fuck?
And
Like,
it makes no sense.
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Even now, like I got a very good 9 to 5 job. You know, I make well in the 6 figures. I could leave that today with no issues because of trading. But it's like I just keep compounding my accounts to then, use those accounts to purchase more investments so that one day I can leave those investments to my kid. I can finally leave my job. I can do the focus on the trading while having other investments. And it's like, I get asked all the time. People are like, oh, you still drive a Lexus, you make all this money trading. And I'm like, yeah, my parents still work. What? What? I'm like, what type of question is that?
yeah.
I'm like, I still got family, I still got loved ones that still work. Like, it's not my duty to take care of them, but I feel like it is. It's like I want to be able to give back to my family, to my girl who has sacrificed so much for me in this.
100%. 100%.
Nights she's woken me up from back testing at this desk, 3 o'clock in the morning. Oh, you got to be at work in an hour. Oh shit. Okay.
Just
Like
wow.
I do that to her,
Well, yeah, no, 1,000%, bro. Those people that have definitely have stuck with you along the way, you have to take care of them. There's no way around it, bro. It's just it's life. You know what I'm saying? It's just what it is. And bro, to not take much of your time, what's like where are you headed next? What's the game plan? What's going on right now? What you trading, capital wise?
So I got a personal account. I got about 24,000 in it. I got a 25,000 with leveled up, and then I got a 200,000 with another, simulated brokerage that I'm not gonna say a name because I don't having a lot of tough times with them with withdrawals lately.
Okay.
Keep them out there, but pretty much I take my funded account. Like I'm gonna do a withdrawal on the leveled up, same day, 24-hour withdrawals. I'm gonna put it in my fund into my personal. Now I have more capital. Simple. I'm just gonna keep doing that, just rinsing it.
Right.
And my trading right now is like to get to more investments, buy real estates. I do buy fun stuff with it. That's the money where, oh, you want to go on vacation? All right, let's go. Let's go do this. Let's go do that. Let's go out to a nice restaurant. Eventually, I plan to get into futures. I've been back testing YM a lot. And
That's 5.
yeah, I trade very, very similar to you. I have a few different things that I do that I like as well.
Of course, everybody got their own
Work. It's like the one thing I noticed that helps a lot, I actually heard Q say it one day, was he draws his support and resistance on the 4-hour and the daily off the line chart. And I added into that.
I used to do that.
Well,
yeah.
So I do that only for my daily and my 4 hours. And I color code my 4-hour, my random dailies and my hourlies. And I know where my zones are. But pretty much I just plan to get out of US 30, get to futures, or see where it takes me.
Yeah, bro. You always got to take that next step, bro. Can't be scared. It's like taking a game-winning shot. You can't be scared of taking it if you've been practicing every day. You know what I'm saying? F1 drivers are not scared of going for a pass because why? They just do that every single time. Like if you're confident and you prepare for things, bro, there's no fear. You just do it. You just do it, and that's that. And bro, last question: since you've discovered myself and 86th floor, how much profits you think you've made?
My personal account before the 86th floor was like $2,500.
Wow.
So I'm up probably because it started in what, April 2nd or 4th or something like that.
Yeah.
I would say I'm probably up like a good 40 from that. And it was just as simple as mindset. Had nothing to do with my trading style. It was just me being a piece of shit, I guess you could say.
Right.
It's respect myself when it comes down to it.
Bro, trading teaches you a lot about life. Teaches you about consistency, teaches you about patience. It teaches you a lot of things that you could grab and literally apply to your regular life and other businesses, and bro, be just as successful as you would be in this space as well. And bro, Kev, I just wanted to appreciate you, bro. Thank you for coming here, bro. Thank you for your time. And thank you, bro, for the support, bro. You know, I'm glad that I've been able to be a part of your journey, and I hope I can continue to be a part of your journey. And bro, let's just keep growing, bro. You know, we're all
Need that one-on-one.
bro. Bro, a lot of people think that a space is saturated and everybody's a trader. Bro, probably 1% of the world population, if that, even knows about this space yet. So the space, to me, the way I see it is, bro, it has so much room. Like it's just really getting started, to be honest. So,
I
bro,
talk to
the
people
the
about
sky's the
trading.
limit.
They come at me like, "Oh, you invest." I'm like, "No, no. I do invest." I'm like, "But no, like, quick, you know, I see my setups.
And take
The
it.
thing I picked from you is the buy limits and the sell limits. I'll set those and I'll go walk away."
Bro, game changer, dog. They will execute that trade so much faster than us sitting here trying to do a market execution on spot.
100%.
We'll miss that entry.
Entries off by a couple points, like it does affect you in that long run.
Yes, bro. Especially
Especially
like,
like 10 points per trade over a year. That's a big difference.
bro, you just missed out on a lot and opportunities that you literally had at your fingertips. Not opportunities that happen later on. No. They were in front of you, but just the fact that you just got in too late. You just probably got in too early, whatever the case may be. But bro, market it, buy stops, sell stops, bro. Game changer, dog.
Oh,
Game
100%. I love them.
Game
That's the
changer.
only thing I use now, unless I'm adding to my position.
Fire. Fire. Well, bro, thank you for your time, dog. And let's continue killing it, bro. You heard?
100%. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. We'll talk. Thank you.
Later.
Have a great day.
You as well.